Hi everybody, this is Dave with Wrecked Rebuild. This is the Cavalier that I've put back together. Wasn't really hurt that bad or anything. Um, I've just been so busy with work all year long. It's just been really difficult to do much of anything other than work. So, the car turned out pretty nice. The bumper cover is not as shiny as I'd hoped it'd be, but you know, it still doesn't look too bad. There's a few flaws with the car, of course. It is a 2004, but all in all, it's not a bad looking car. It runs great. 73,826 miles on it, and um, got it for sale. So got some people going to come look at it. I did tag it. I went through, believe it or not, almost 2.5 months of dealing with the state of Indiana to get this thing titled so I could sell it. So finalized all that and got the title back for it. It is a rebuilt title. Again, there wasn't any severe damage to this car. It needed a window regulator on the driver's side. Um, let's see, needed a actuator for the AC control, which wasn't, it was kind of a little bit of a chore in itself, kind of hard to get to, but it all worked out. So anyway, got this, like I said, it's for sale, and got about 10 people interested in it so far. So we'll see what happens, and it makes somebody a nice car. It's oil's been changed in it. Did some other things to it that needed to be done also, but anyway, it needed cleaned up and got it all vacuumed out and everything. Looks pretty nice. So we'll see what happens today. All right.